after the fans of actor Allu Arjun thronged at Sandhya Theatre in Hyderabad ahead of the premiere of the movie, police had to resort to mild lathi charge to control the crowd. With few hours left for the movie's official release, the excitement had been at an all-time high amongst the fans of Allu Arjun. Take a look at this report that came in from the theatre in Hyderabad.
Pushpa 2, The Rule has hit the theatres, thousands of theatres, and already Telangana government, Andhra Pradesh government has given permission to hike the tickets from 150, 200 to 800, and in Andhra Pradesh from 200 to 1000 rupees. So almost, I know the prices have been hiked. Thousands of fans have arrived here at the Sandhya Theatre. Already Allu Arjun is here inside the movie. He is, watching the movie. He is watching the first ever screening across India, and fans across India have gathered at several theatres to have a glance at the movie, and also here to have a glance at Allu Arjun. So, from where did you come?
We people came from Yusuf Guda. We people kept more money to watch movie. But
How much did you pay for each ticket?
we afford 600 rupees per ticket.
Okay.
We didn't watch till now. Most of the people are dying to watch cinema. 2 members are already died. Injured 2 people are already injured. We wanted that they don't know about their health condition, but their children and one parent injured.
Already injured. Everyone, super cinema, bab.
So Allu Arjun is here. Allu Arjun is inside. Are you waiting to watch him?
Yeah, eagerly.
Anyone is here, but no one should die.
Basically, in huge number, crowd arrived here at the theatre, and mainly they have also purchased tickets from starting from 400, 600. We can clearly see here chaos-like situation, footwear, papers. We can clearly see here how crowd is cheering here for Allu Arjun. They are waiting. You are waiting for him, and we are waiting to watch the next show.
Now, as far as the release of the movie is concerned, it had turned tragic at the theatre because one among 3 have now been declared dead in a stampede-like situation that unfolded at the Sandhya Theatre in Hyderabad, where after unprecedented crowd gathered to catch a glimpse of the actor and protagonist Allu Arjun. Well, 2 others, including a child, are said to be in a stable condition. However, he is going treatment at a private hospital, and here's what happened as far as it was unprecedented crowd that was seen at the theatre.